In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a feedback form in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable form that makes it easy for people to give you useful, structured feedback. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in, use your Google account so you can save and manage the form. You'll land on the Forms home screen where you can start from scratch or speed things up with a ready-made layout. Next, click Template Gallery near the top. If you don't see it right away, look for an option to expand the gallery. Templates are great because they include common questions and formatting, so you spend less time building and more time refining. From the gallery, click the feedback form template. This starts you off with a sensible structure, typically a title, a short description, rating questions, and an open comment field. It's a solid baseline for product, service, event, or course feedback. Now edit the form so it fits your needs. Update the title to clearly describe what the feedback is for, and add a brief description that explains why the feedback matters and how long the form will take. Click into each question to adjust the wording. For ratings, a linear scale works well. For detailed input, use short answer or paragraph. If there's anything you must collect, like which product version someone used, toggle required so respondents can't skip it. Keep the form concise. 5 to 7 focus questions usually get better completion rates. If you want anonymous feedback, avoid collecting email addresses and remove any fields that ask for personally identifying details. You can also click the palette icon to customize the theme and colors so the form matches your brand. When you're ready, click the send or publish option in the top right, then choose the link icon and copy the responder link. You can shorten the URL here to make it easier to share. This link is what people will use to access the form and submit their responses. Finally, share it. Paste the link into an email, a chat channel, a social post, or anywhere your audience is most active. Add a quick note about why their feedback helps and how long it will take to complete. If you're sharing widely, consider posting the link in a pinned message or including it in a regular newsletter so it's easy to find later. That's it. You've created, customized, published, and shared a Google feedback form. Clear, simple, and ready for responses.